Hello, I am Ezio Cammarata, and I make in my life many Japanese garden. In particular, Zen garden in quality Kare-sansui. It's very minimal quiet of garden. All the different elements, very simple, but our work can give a great importance for produce the show in a little place. In this particular kind, we do a little garden, Japanese garden. We used only 4 elements. One is the substrate for a good condition for a tree, and also for muschio, in Italian muschio. The other particular element is a stone, and this is a natural stone with a good form, and we will do a mountain, and the stone is enough. In the second part there sand is black sand and yellow sand, 2 different white of color and 2 different position in a level of the boat. Other element is this is a bird, a bird do with bamboo. This is iron, and is a quality of elegance. A tree is very easy, but is alone in a bottle. And also this due to bamboo is up the stone, because is a bamboo simil ashi, and is a hand of a man that work in a garden. All the elements have a character symbolic. Is not only a natural of elements, but also symbolic elements.
Hello, I'm Davide. I'm a national sales manager for Oase Italy, and today we are here in this show. It's Koi Festival, and now I show you our product, the BiOrb Air 30. This is the 30 liters, but we have also the 60 liters. So the 60 liters is more or less 58 centimeters in diameter, but this one is 40 centimeters, more or less. You can buy it in gray, in black, and in white as a color. It is a biosphere, so it's completely automatic. It works for itself. There is water on the bottom, the water, and there is a carpet up the water that absorb the water for the substrate, to have the substrate always humid for the plants. We have in the cap at the top of this product, there is a tank with the water, and there is also a sensor under this. Then that can relate the humidity conditions of the bubble, and can generate fog to do a right condition of humidity as the one we have imposed. There is also the light The light inside is automatic, and there is a period when the light growing up. There are 10 hours of light that simulate the condition of the day, and then the light goes down at the end. So this was born for the plants, principally. There are many people that use it also for some little frog, for example, or little colored frog.
Because my son, he has a lizard, and he always says, "I want that," but I say, "Well."
Yeah, no. There are many people, many sellers that put inside also the some animals, some small
animals.
Small animal. Yeah. Because for the animal we have the BiOrb Air. The BiOrb Air was born for the animal, for the amphibian or something reptile, something more reptile, also snakes, for example.
Yeah. So you have the BiOrb Air, BiOrb Water, and BiOrb Earth.
Yeah.
All three.
Yeah. There's three kind of BiOrb. Yeah, for sure. BiOrb Water, there are a lot of liters, because we start from 15 liters to up to 105 liters. So we can do everything. There are a lot of shapes, a lot of color, a lot of things to put inside and to work, to study, to.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much for your explanation. And guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you're interested to buy one, I put a link in the description of our video. Some of you already know Oase is a partner of our channel. We do a lot with koi, filtration systems, but I thought it was really nice to show you this, guys, because I'm a big fan of those BiOrbs.